Hi everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Tiyani. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to create an app in Power Platform using an Excel file to make our app creation process even more efficient. So let's get started. First things first, let's make sure we have the necessary tools. You'll need an account on Power Platform. Once you have your account ready, let's move on to the next step. To begin, open Power Platform and ensure you have logged in with your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one by following the simple registration process. So let's go ahead and create an Excel file and populate it. And make sure that we save our file in OneDrive for Business, as this feature only works with OneDrive for Business. Once we are done with the creation of file and we have saved it on OneDrive for Business, now let's move on to creating our app. Let's head over to Power Platform. On the Power Platform homepage, locate and click on Start with Data. From the options that appear, select Upload an Excel file. Next, click on Select from Device. Choose the Excel file we created earlier. Once you've selected the file, Power Apps will analyze your data and attempt to create a table in dataverse with appropriate columns and data type. If needed, you can modify the table names and properties by clicking on Edit Table Properties. Take your time to review and make any necessary changes. Once satisfied, click on Create App. Please note that the app creation process may take a few minutes. Once Power Apps Designer has loaded your application, you can further customize and play around with your app to see what Power Apps has generated. To test the functionality of your app, it's a good idea to add some data. This will help you to understand how the app behaves and ensure that everything is working as expected. Once we've finished designing and adding functionality to our app, it's time to test it. To launch the app preview, simply click on the play button located at the right top corner of the screen. Make sure to thoroughly test your app to ensure it's functioning as intended. Try out different features and scenarios to identify any potential issues. Once you're satisfied with the app's performance, it's time to publish it. To make your app available to others, select Publish. This will make your app accessible to a wider audience and enable others to benefit from your creation. And there you have it. You've successfully created an app in Power Platform using an Excel file. With Power Platform, app development becomes accessible and efficient, allowing you to bring your ideas to life. Remember to explore the various features and functionalities available to create the perfect app for your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. We appreciate your support. Thank you for watching and happy app development.